Hello, my dear viewers. Behind the closed doors, there exists a harsh reality that many are unaware in the fashion industry. Exploitation is rampant as the workers toil long hours in the unsafe conditions, minimal pay, lack of regulations allows for the mistreatment of employees, often young women and children seeking employment out of desperation. My dear viewers, do you know the ugly truth about fashion waste? As the lights dim and the fashion show concludes, the applause fades into a stark silence when considering the destiny many showcase garments, the exquisite designs once captured spotlight now face fate of abandonment, environmental harm hidden from the glamorous facade of industry. Every stitch, every thread meticulously woven together, skill, creativity now sadly contributes to the vast pile of textile waste that is rapidly engulfing planet. It is somber truth that calls for reflection, action, urging the fashion industry and consumers alike to embrace sustainable practices and mindful consumption to combat growing crisis. Hello, my dear connects and viewers. Hope you all are doing happy and healthy. नमस्ते. मेरे YouTube चैनल में आपका स्वागत है. आशा है आप सुखी और स्वस्थ होंगे. Welcome back to my channel Empowerment via Education. Friends, in this vlog, we will deep dive into obsession of youth, millennials as well as Gen Z into good looks, beauty, brands, and also expose the harsh reality behind it. Purely through raw fact, psychology, and science behind it, we will uncover the power of self-worth and your intellectual mind that truly defines you. Let's break the illusion and be real. Let me ask you one thing. How often do you look in the mirror and think that I'm not good enough? Or scroll through social media and believe that you could be one of them? Today, let's talk about something that's affecting most of us. The obsession behind good looks, beauty, branded clothes, and accessories. But it is really worth it? Let's find out. That leather shoe that you have just seen in a big mall with a huge price tag that actually cost entire life of an animal, the innocent animal. So think again before buying again. From skin whitening creams to perfect jawlines, from branded sneakers to zero size bodies. Nowadays, beauty standards are not just unrealistic, they are engineered to sell you insecurity. Globally, the beauty industry is worth more than $600 billion. That's not self-care, that's a system that makes you feel every time you watch the reel and feel that you're not good enough. Cosmetic industry is about to grow to $758 billion by 2027. Most of the cosmetics that these influencers, fashion models, as everyone whom you see in internet today who is related to the industry of fashion, cosmetics, brands, expensive things, these are not cruelty free. Most of the bags that you see, the Louis Vuitton or Chanel or other brands, all are made up of animal skin, which is cruelty towards animal. Do you know those fascinating leather bags that makes you feel happy and stand out different in your circle? That's actually life of a stolen animal, the life of these innocent buffaloes, cows, crocodiles, snakes, and their skin is cruelly taken out from their bodies, often after killing them, and it's a very painful process. And their skin are used to make those stuffs, those expensive possessions that you wear out of proud in your circle and feel branded and classy. This is a big industry which has a huge money. However, the cruelty that goes inside, the tortures that these animals have to bear, this is beyond words. This cannot be expressed in words. But the profit that companies are making, they are least bothered about these animals, and they are selling it shamelessly even after PETA's repetitive warnings and suggestions to stop them. A vegan leather can be an option, however, they don't fear out to have a bloodshed. If I talk further, then the lipstick or cosmetics that you use, you would stop even thinking about them once you would read the principal display panel, which is in the back side of the cosmetic. If you read the ingredient list and get a deep insight into it, you would get to know that what harsh chemicals you're actually putting on your lips, on your body, on your face, just to look aesthetic, just to look beautiful, and just to feel that vibe of being beautiful than them, like them. See some video clips on this, you would understand this better.
Dear Connects, do you know your favorite lipstick could contain toxic chemicals? Here are some of them. Methylparaben. Banned or restricted in much of Europe, this preservative is linked to cancer risk and hormonal imbalance. Propylparaben. This is a known endocrine disruptor and contains chemicals that destroy your endocrine system. Retinyl palmitate. This compound may pose reproductive risk and harm pregnant women, and it is very harmful for your ovaries as well. Then comes the synthetic dyes. Many lipstick use dyes derived from aluminum and petroleum, both of which can be toxic. Even the natural dyes like lawn wood or bloodroot are known to cause irritation and inflammation that is used widely in lipstick nowadays. Then comes tocopherol acetate. It is synthetic form of vitamin E. This is synthetic, not natural vitamin E. When oxidized and contaminated, it may release a potential skin irritant, and it is very, very toxic as well. Thanks for
Take you
watching.
towards some psychological facts that are affecting teenage, especially because they are not mature enough to understand the reality behind those reels, those influencers see in the Instagram or other social media platforms. According to psychological studies and scientifically proven facts, those reels that you see about any influencer that is into cosmetics, branded jewelries, hi-fi lifestyle, lowers your self-esteem, quest to be like them, the feeling of left behind, the feeling of not being good enough in terms of looks and appearance, really takes a bad toll onto your mental health, often leading to depression and anxiety. However, let me tell you that if you're watching this video, the reality is that your emotional intelligence, your intelligence quotient, the things that you achieve out of your skill, pure and honest hard work, and external appearance all actually add up to who you are. Eventually, you have a family to feed, you have your own responsibilities than to impress the society as well as those temporary people who are not gonna stay there in your tough times and who are not gonna pay your bills. We often wear expensive brands which often cost us more than that we can afford, not to express ourselves but to impress others. You know what the real attractive thing is? It's kindness, passion, and purpose. That's the courage to stand out when the world wants you to fit in. That the kindness that you show towards less fortunate people. That's the social good that you do to people to make their life better. These are the real achievements in their life. These often cost very less or at times nothing. That's the beauty of human life. Not sold in stores and cannot be achieved through filters. Simplicity does not mean lack of style. Style should be there, but presence of mind should also be there. Really spending towards something very expensive that you cannot really afford, or maybe you can afford by compromising on many other things, does not make a presence of mind. And trust me, your intellect that you have got through years of perseverance and trial, and the social good that you have done to people is worth more than those branded clothes, accessories, and all those stuff. And filter that you see often of influencers in reality is just a cover. Do you know how many photos those fashion models, those people behind promoting those expensive outfits and accessories and other things, before they post a perfect one? It can be 50, 100, or even more than that. What you see is just that is sold to you, not showed to you. Unlike one comment, one view, maybe it's worth lakhs for them. And what we see in reels as well as on those posts is not a reality. It is just a performance. Performance for making money. Simplicity is not boring. It's authenticity. And authenticity is never go out of fashion. You do not need to be perfect to be powerful. You just need knowledge to get empowered. You do not need expensive brands to be valuable. What you do need is empathy, self esteem, and confidence, and all the achievement that you have got out of sheer hard work, your dedication, your education, your skills. They are the real value for you. Someone judges you by your looks or labels, just smile on them. Because you know the truth now. You are worth more than they think you are. Do share this video if you have ever felt pressurized by tailor-made beauty standards, by those expensive outfits and accessories. Let's start a movement that says, I am good enough the way I am and I am worth it. Before signing off, I would like you to answer these three questions. Please do share your answers in the comment box. This would help me to broaden my perspective towards this topic and also help me to educate you in a more better way. Please help me and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay connected. You are worth it.